Good morning. So I am currently waiting for my companions. Today we will be going to Maragusan. Kasi may mga taga Maragusan dira. So kita-kita rata ninyo niya. Asa naman to kung mga kauban? Alas 6 among sabot pero asa naman orasa ron wala pa man sila. Okay. Layo ba itong Maragusan? Anyway, while waiting for them, so on this particular video, so we will be talking about the Bible, you know. So partially we will be talking about the Bible or an overview of the Bible. So in this particular topic, we will be talking about divine inspiration. Second one is biblical inerrancy, and the third one is about canonicity, no? So later na lang nato na hisgutan, no? While we are on the way, so while we are traveling, so later I will just update you. Update lang ko niya kung asa na tong kauban. So okay.
A few moments later.
We're back on the road, and together with us is Sir Bebs. He is a teacher also in SPC of Religious Studies 100. Say hi, Sir Bebs. If you can notice, the weather today is very nice. Mr. Sun is out. Sa mga nilabay nga adlaw always biya kaulan, so we are very lucky today that the weather is with us in this travel and learn journey. Buntag pa man karon later unyang hapon unta dili mag-ulan, no, kay murag kada hapon gid baya mag-ulan, so that nindot ang atoang travel and learn journey about the Bible. Okay, so stay tuned. And while on the road, so enjoy, relax, no? And dito na ta sa may dool sa Maragusan mag-discuss later. Okay, good afternoon everyone. So naata karon diri sa asa na dapit ba?
Shadol.
Shadol. So together with me is Sir Christopher Alaba. Alabay, say hi to you.
Hi. Di na ako magpakita.
Hindi na ka magpakita. So in this particular video, we will be talking about the overview of the Bible. So our next lesson is magtakil na gyud taog Bible, since RS100 is all about introduction to the Old Testament. Pero taas kita introduction, no? So good vision, mission, napatay revelation, and what last time we talked about faith. So karon ato na yung sugdan ng about sa Bible. But in this video, we'll have an overview only in connection sa ato ang overview sa likod, no? Nindot kayo. Oh, nindot kayo. By the way, class, Maragusan na siya dapita. No? Nag-rides mi karon padulong sa Maragusan. Tanawa ninyo, nindot kayo. Okay, going back to our discussion, since we'll be talking about the overview of the Bible, I'll just be telling you the subject outline of this topic, the Bible. No? In this topic, we will talk about the definition, of course, the definition of the Bible. The second one is divine inspiration. The third one is about biblical inerrancy. The fourth one and the last topic is about canonicity. Okay, when you talk about definition, of course, we will talk about definition sa ato ang discussion. When you talk about divine inspiration, it answers the question how the Bible was written, no? Na may murag SOP on how the Bible was written. It was not just simply written by an author. So naay pamaagi ato nang hisgutan giunsa pagsulat ang Bible. The second one is about the biblical inerrancy. This is a belief, especially for the church, that the Bible is free from error. It answers the question how the Bible became free from error, any type of error. No? And the fourth one is canonicity. The books, we have to put in mind that the Bible is not just a single book. It is composed of different books. So trivia na lang daan, if you have a Bible in your home or kanang Bible app, you already own a library, no? Dato kay mo kay nana mo library daan. So the Bible is composed of different books. Now the question is, what are the books and why these books are considered as canonical or inspired books? Nganong sila raman daghan discover nga mga scrolls, but nganong kani raman nga mga books ang gi-include sa Bible? So, see you next meeting, no? So, atong hisgutan ng mga butanga. Atong palawman ang about sa Bible. Okay? So, magpadayon namin sa muang rides karon. And see you next week.